Good evening, students. Last day we solved from this book and mainly the math from exercise 1A in chapter 1. So as I see here, most of the questions are very easy for you. So I think all these maths you can solve it easily, and these are class 6 or 7 standards. So that is why today I directly go to exercise 2A from chapter 2. And one thing very important, if you have any problem to see my copy from YouTube, then you can do one thing. You can zoom in so that you can see clearly. So today we will start from exercise 2A. First math. Here in question number 1, solve the following equations using factorization. So here we have quadratic equations. For any type of quadratic equation, you will have two solutions. So start from exercise 2A, page number 20 of Pure Math-1 book, chapter 2, Pure Math-1. Here start from question number 1A. The question is x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. For this type of question, you will see the highest power here of x is 2. This type of equation is called quadratic equation, where the highest power of the variable is 2. It will have two solutions. So all time we cannot use formula, or sometimes we have to use general formula. Here we have a general formula for this type of math. But for some special type of math where we can use middle term breaking method. So what is the middle term breaking method? First you will multiply first and last term with sign. So x square and 2, that is 2x square. And you will break the middle term into two terms, so that if we multiply that two term, we get the same thing, 2x square. So for that reason, you will work with the factor here when you multiply first and last term. Here the number is 2. The factor of 2 is actually 2 and 1. No other factors. It is a prime number. So we have to use that two factors. So x square plus twice x plus x plus this 2 is equal to 0. So now take x as common. So x plus 2 plus take 1 as common, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 1, when we take x plus 2 as common now here. Now look, here two terms multiplied each other, the result is 0. When we get this type of situation, here either this to each term is equal to 0 or one term between these two terms is 0. Suppose 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0 or 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0, like this way. So here either x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, two solutions are x is equal to minus 1 and minus 2. Yes, all the maths here 1, 2, 3, all of them are similar, and I think you can do it easily. But if you feel any kinds of trouble solving this those maths, then please leave a comment in our comment section. Then I'll try to solve those maths. Even from our previous chapter, chapter 1, if you feel any trouble solving any problem, leave a comment. I'll try to solve those maths. Okay, now go for question number 4. This one is a little bit tricky. Not actually tricky, it is a little bit lengthy. Now, here we have a figure. One side here is x meter, bottom base side is twice x meter, and your total height here x plus 3 meter, and this term is x meter. Look, total term is twice x. If this one is x, that one must be another x. And here this height is x meter. So if we take it as a parallel line here, that one is x, and this part, that will be x plus 3 minus x, that is 3. So the question is, this shape has an area of 44 meter square. Find the value of x. So if we take total area into two parts, one is this rectangle. Here the area will be twice x multiplied by x, and then the smaller part, here the area will be 3 multiplied by x, and the total area given is 44 meter square. Now take this one as an equation. So 2x multiplied by x, that is 2x square plus 3x, and on the right side we have 44. Now simplify this equation. Twice x square plus 3x minus 44 is equal to 0. Now look, first and last term. First term is twice x square and last term is minus 44. So the result is here, the multiplication 2 times 44, that is 88x square, and there is a negative sign behind it. So if we use middle term breaking, we have to find that two term among the factors of 88. Now if we look deeply, you can write these things: 11 and 8. 11 times 8, it is 88. So 11x minus 8x, that is 3x. So minus 44 is equal to 0. Now take x as common. So 2x square by x, here we have 2x, plus 11x by x, it is 11, minus similarly, if we take 4 common, so twice x and minus minus gone, plus 11 is equal to 0. Now twice x plus 11 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. Like our previous math, this two term multiplication is equal to 0. So either both term is equal to 0 or any single term is equal to 0. So we are not sure. So either this term twice x plus 11 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. So from here we get x is equal to 4 and twice x is equal to minus 11 and x is equal to minus 11 by 2. Look here in the figure, x is given as a length, any kinds of length, and twice x or x, this x. Length cannot be negative. That is why this term will not take. We have to take this one positive. Length cannot be negative, either it is 0 or positive. So the answer will be, find the value of x. Here answer will be x is equal to 4. Clear? Another tricky math here is question number 5. So question number 5, exercise 2A, page number 20, chapter 2, pure math 1. Okay. Solve the equation. So directly we can solve it. 5x plus 3 is equal to whole square root of 3x plus 7. Now square both sides, because we have to omit this square root sign. So 5x plus 3 whole square and then square root of 3x plus 7 whole square. So here 5 for 5x, 25x square plus 2 into 5x into 3 plus 3 square is equal to 3x plus 7. This math is a little bit lengthy. You have to keep focus, otherwise any type of mistake can happen. So 25x square plus 2 times 5, 10 times 3, it is 30x plus 9 is equal to 3x plus 7. Now 25x square plus 30x plus 9 minus 3x minus 7. If you shift those two terms from right side to left side, inside its sign will be changed. So now 25x square, then 30x minus 3x. Here we have 27x and 9 minus 7, it is plus 2. So try to simplify by any numbers. There is no common number, so we have to work with this equation. First multiply first term and last term. 25x square multiplied by 2, it is 50x square. So here we will take 50 as our key number, where when we make middle term breaking, two terms will be taken among the factors of 50. So if we make 5x square plus 25x plus 2x, 25x plus 2x, 27x, 25x into 2x, we will get 50x square. Now take 25x as common, then we get x plus 25x here 1, and then if we take 2 common, we get x plus 1. Now take again x plus 1 as common. 25x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now similarly this two term multiplication is equal to 0. Either x plus 1 equal to 0 or 25x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1. Here x is equal to minus 2 by 25. So the solution will be minus 1 and minus 2 by 25. Look, if we compare question number 5 with number 4, in question number 4, x was given the length. That is why we didn't take the solution negative one. Which one was? Suppose yes, minus 11 by 2. We didn't take that solution. We took only x is equal to 4. But here, nothing we have in the condition. Directly solve this equation. That is why we have to take both values of x. I think you are clear now. You can solve any math from exercise 2A. Again, if you have any problem, leave a comment in the comment section. I'll try to solve rest of the maths if you need it. So thank you for now.